Okay, worst foods to burp up. Hot dogs.
Salmon.
French cheese.
Cat shit.
You say ketchup?
Yes. Yes, I did.